Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards drift continues, lower highs and lower lows, so certainly some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just go ahead and get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So that is now why this level right there at $9.40 is going to be that initial area of resistance, assuming, the price continues to bounce back upwards. Now, in the event the price breaks above $9.40, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good step in the right direction. That's definitely bullish, but there's still a whole lot more work that will need to be done. And that next bit of, quote unquote work that'll need to be done comes in the form of, how can the price and how will the price behave relative to that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which looking back through the history, you can see has already begun to act as resistance on a couple of previous occasions. So it's really just a question of, can the price actually have enough strength to get up above and stay above that level when that time comes? But again, you don't want to get too far ahead of yourself, because step one is just simply, well, can the price even break above and stay above $9.40? So keep a close eye on that moving forward. And then as far as levels of support, nothing fancy here. Just where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was right down there at basically $9.10. So to give credit where credit's due, the bulls really dug in. There are all sorts of occasions where the bears try to press down lower. And, that is definitely a great way of stepping up right there and showing that, yeah, there was plenty of people that were willing to come in and throw in bids at the 910 mark. So that'll be the initial area of support. But then after that, that's where the chart actually starts to space out quite a bit, because the next level would not be until down there around $8.70. But good to see that this area is indeed acting as support, which when you go through the history, you can see support, 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 and then once again today, support. So we'll see if that continues or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.